I really don't want people to idolize me to an extent wherein I am unapproachable for them, even in their heads.
Lovely to see you, Mr. as I call him, the versatile Massey साहब. आप तो फिलहाल ना OTT space के वो हो बादशाह.
यार ऐसे ब्रैकेट मत करो ना, ऐसे बोलो कि एक्टर हो.
एक्टर तो हो, मगर king of the OTT space, yeah, you're ruling it.
Not yet. Too soon. I don't want to add any undue pressure on myself. I think 4 films or 5 films cannot, designate you as a king. I think I need to be consistent with it over a period of time. हम 5 साल बाद शायद ही बात करेंगे.
5 साल बाद तो you'll be the czar. I'm telling you, मैं predict कर रही हूँ. मिलते हैं 5 साल बाद. And I hope ऐसे नहीं, but we will meet like personally. But honestly,
like how we always
in person. Exactly, and that I've enjoyed most. And now just seeing you in your sunny mode. This is your first all and all out commercial film. You've been a dancer, I know that. But did you enjoy it? Because let me tell you something. We met 2 years ago for the first time. I saw you were chilled out. वो Breathe का पहला था. Criminal Justice कर रहे थे. उसके बाद when I met you again for Breathe 2, you were a little more intense. And जब छपक के time we met, broken, Breathe, broken, but beautiful. उसके बाद जब मैं मिली आपको छपाक के लिए, you were totally in your character, that mind space. मेरे को लगता है विक्रांत is such a person जो जब तक film air पे वो release नहीं होती, is totally in his character zone. And now with Sunny, I'm seeing you more chilled out. So what is it like? Has it also come as a breather for you?
Yes, definitely. Navjot Gulati, who's written Guinea Veg Sunny, he tweeted yesterday that Vikrant also changes his character as per the genre of the film he's doing in interviews. #chameleon, he tagged.
True.
And
True.
I actually sat back and I thought, and the only answer I have to that is because we tend to, talk about, or, the conversations veer in and around the kind of subjects that you're doing every film. Because Chapak and A Death in the Gun, they were such heavy subjects, if I can say. There was so much to talk about. There was so much of that we dabble in. तो कई बार क्या होता है ना कि वो आपका mindset इंटरव्यू में सवालों के जवाब दे के, क्योंकि वो conversation भी क्योंकि उन मुद्दों के इर्द गिर्द होती है, तो वो थोड़ा सा मोरॉस हो जाता है. Here I am all out. I have absolutely, there is nothing morbid or morose or anywhere close to it. This is a light-hearted film. It's breezy, it's colorful, it's sunny, if I can say. It's wonderful, and even the conversations are very light-hearted, and I'm enjoying it thoroughly. It's such a good breather, that we're not talking about socially relevant issues. We're not talking about the unfortunate state of public discourse. We are not doing all of that. We leave that for the later part.
True. So, but we are talking about something that's of public interest because आपको पता है ना इंडिया में सब शादी से इतने obsessed हैं. Band, baja, barat and free का खाना. I mean, shadi is the one topic of discussion after films and cricket. So, how did you get into Sunny's mode, and do you relate to Sunny at any level?
At certain levels, I do, for sure, because I think all of us have had that carefree attitude at some age or the other. For me, it would definitely be, the later part of my school and, the early part of my college days. So I think there is a Sunny in all of us, especially the guys, I would say. And there is a Guinea in all possible women for a certain period of time. I think so. Not generalizing. So apologies if I've offended anyone. You really need to give disclaimers these days because people are overly sensitive.
True.
So that's how it is. In so many ways, I did, sort of relate to Sunny. But a lot of my job was easier, Pooja ji. I'll tell you why. Because for me, I had a Jeeta Jagta Sunny on set, who's my director, Puneet Khanna. And after a couple of days, I remember Yami ji and I were standing and chit-chatting about something, and I just saw Puneet walk by, and I am like, oh my God, this guy actually walks in a very funny way. And this is how my Sunny will walk. And this is how my Sunny will even talk at certain areas. Because Sunny, like Puneet, is all hearts. Is all heart. He's all heart. And that's what you see in the trailer at certain areas. When he says, कि आपसे तुम तक आ गया हूँ, धीरे धीरे तुझ तक पहुँच ही जाऊँगा. And the cheesy lines, कि मतलब तू इतनी सुंदर है कि तू वो कहती कि पिक्चर इतनी खराब है कि तू मुझे देख रहा है. He's like, नहीं तू इतनी सुंदर है कि मैं पिक्चर नहीं देख रहा. So this is Puneet. Puneet in real life is capable of, you know, borrowing these lines to his beautiful wife Setu. And मेरे को ना एक ब्लूप्रिंट मिल गया था. दूसरे तीसरे दिन ही मैंने recognize कर दिया था कि okay, Puneet Khanna is my blueprint for Sunny. And obviously it's an amalgamation of so many things, you know, the written part, and you know, you create your own things, you also put in your own experiences, and it's fun. I thoroughly enjoyed. I've never had an opportunity to do something like this in front of the camera, and I'm really happy. I'm also dancing. People are responding really positively.
And people don't know that you've been dancing since a very young age. You were part of the Shamak Davar troupe, yeah? और लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि कैसा लगा नाच के. से मैं नाचता था, मौका नहीं मिला है नाचने का.
मौका नहीं मिला. और वो कॉन्शियसली भी नहीं किया. मौके बहुत मिले, बट किया नहीं because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था, you know, कि it is not the right script or the right time for me, because I have, as we've spoken also, and I've been saying this for the last couple of days, I always have had this thing, you know, I will probably do something tried and tested or borderline cliche if I have a certain body of work behind me, because God forbid if I fail, I really want people to give me that, you know, discount or give me that leeway saying कि अच्छा, you know, चलो ठीक है यार, मतलब एक गलती तो माफ है. तो मैंने उसके लिए ये इतनी मेहनत की है पीछे.
और एक और बात बताऊं आपके बारे में, इट्स द रिलेटेबिलिटी फैक्टर दैट यू हैव इन पर्सन एंड ऑन स्क्रीन. I mean, whether it's somebody in Mayurganj or Muzaffarpur से लेके मुंबई तक, or if I talk about New York, they relate to you. There is a certain relatability. Like, you come across as someone like, हाँ यार, local metro में मिल जाएगा या कोई restaurant में मिल जाएगा.
Thank you, and that's the idea. That is the idea. Now, if you've really made my day by saying this. Because that is exactly what I aspire to do. And the versatility that people are bestowing upon me is this very thought.
Yeah.
I have always said this thing, and we've spoken about it extensively, that, you know, I want to penetrate through my audience's defense mechanisms and reach that part of them which is the closest to them. So be it Shutu, be it Amol from Chapak, or be it Veer from Broken But Beautiful, or even Bablu for that matter of fact from Mirzapur, and today Guinea. So if I am able to do that for a reputed journalist like you who's seen, you know, everything, to say that to me, I think, wow, you really made my day. And I hope I continue.
No, but it's the truth. It's the truth, because this is what I was telling people. I said with Vikrant, the thing is, you can relate to him. वो नहीं है कि दूर एक स्टार है जो अब आपके पास आया है, बात करके फिर अपने वो स्टार लैंड गैलेक्सी में चला जाएगा. ये पास में ही है, साथ में ही है.
In some ways, I really don't. Again, it's a part of it. I really don't want people to idolize me to an extent wherein I am unapproachable for them, even in their heads.
True.
I want to be accessible to each and every person who's given me their time and, you know, who's given me their love, at least in their head and hearts. If I cannot do it in person,
and that you manage that.
And
you've managed that with. You have. And I'm coming to that now. So from Balika Vadu to Criminal Justice to Guinea with Sunny, you have a very versatile palette. So what is the decisions and the flexibility as an actor you want to explore in so many mediums? Because television, cinema, OTT, Tino space covered.
I think it begins with resonance, relatability. But also, I think there are so many other things, you know, that make it one. Is that there are things that I want to say through my work. There are things that I'm probably, unfortunately, as we said, due to oversensitivity, due to, you know, excessive censorship, due to lack of a public discourse, due to communalized public discourse, I want to say things through my work. So be it Criminal Justice or be it Chapak, I am using this wonderful platform called cinema to express what I feel. And we've spoken about this, I remember very vividly. We are a reflection of society and vice versa. We are also interdependent on each other. That I would actually want to, you know, say stories that are relevant to the times that we are living in through my work. And that is the larger idea.
And you're coming back to another conversation we had 2 years ago when you said भीड़ में हम सब अकेले हैं. आपके पास Instagram में 10 million followers होंगे, but you're all by there, not your friends. So that's my other question is you do so many things. You are a traveler, cricket player, trained dancer. And also what message would you want to give out to a person? Because sometimes क्या होता है हम अपने work को ही अपनी जिंदगी बना देते हैं. Like in your industry also happens when you are an actor, it becomes your life. If things go wrong, you can't think about otherwise. So what advice would you get? And also you're somebody who does challenging roles, but वो काम को ही एक जुनून बना के उसी में घुसकर you forget about everything else around you. That how important is it to have other things in life?
It's a great thing, you know, honestly. Firstly, यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक सेंस ऑफ बैलेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है. काम में मग्न होना, काम करना बहुत अच्छी चीज है, और अगर आपको मौका मिला है तो you should make the most of it. But as you said, you know, you really need to have a sense of balance. Family, as I've always said, it's very important to have the right people around you. When I say the right people, it always begins with family, because they will always be there with you through thick and thin, no matter what you do professionally, financially. Unfortunately, that's not the case with everyone, but I will only speak based on my experiences. It is very important to have those people who are keeping you, you know, in touch with your reality, and there is, as you said, there is so much of pomp, and there is so much of glamour, or there is so much of you know, these things, especially because of social media, because of you know, idol worshipping in our country, which is so inherently ingrained in our culture, especially down south. It's very important to have those people who actually pull you out of your delusion, if I may say.
True.
And be it your best friends or be it your family, I think these are the ones that you can rely on through thick and thin. And also in the last few years, if I am to say this thing, you know, these so-called public figures who are, you know, aspirational in so many ways, who are larger than life in so many ways, have also somewhere down the line portrayed this thing that I am talking about in the public domain, be it Anushka Sharma or be it Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
You know, the reason why most of us know that or believe that Virat Kohli is able to perform the way he does is because he has a great work-life balance.
Yeah.
He's the captain of the Indian cricket team when he's on the field, but he's a husband, he's a son, he's a family man, and a to-be father at home. And you really don't see him out there doing stupid things that you would see a superstar of his stature do today or do 10 years ago. Now that is something which all of us are following. That is something that all of us have seen, and Virat Kohli is a prime example because he's the biggest superstar he has after the Prime Minister of the country. Cricket captains tend to have that position. It's concomitant with their job, and आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके हम वो चीजें देख रहे हैं. You know, say maybe 5 years ago, an actor who is at his or her peak would ever want to settle down. We've seen Deepika and Ranveer do that. They settle down at the so-called right time. They have a family life, they have a work life, and they are balancing it out so well. And these are people who are actually inspiring people in the right sense. And like most of the others, so am I.
True, I agree with you. And also there's something when you spoke about superstars, I know OTT space has now become like the king with a lot of content there. You said something very interesting. It's not going to topple the star system, but it'll find a way, you know, with the kind of stories and actors getting an equal platform. Do you think with this platform, there's certain fair, the business will become a bit more fair? Though not lovely, but fair. Remember the tweet?
Nice one. Yeah, I'm hopeful of it, like most of them are. I mean, yes, you know, with the advent of streaming platforms. See, firstly, topple is not the right word for me because I find it in a very negative connotation. You really want to pull the other person down and place yourself, and that's ridiculous. If we can coexist, then why not? And we are very healthily, and slowly and steadily. Though there has been a certain sense of negativity is not the right word, but you know, there has been a condescending approach at the initial stage is towards streaming platforms, especially by A-listers in cinema. And I'm not generalizing. I'm not saying everyone is. Everyone thought that, but mota ये एक था कि अरे OTT पे कौन जाएगा. But life, as we all know, is such a great leveler that everybody's selling their films on OTT platforms today. People were condescending in their approach towards television also, but we see the biggest names on television making the most amount of money that even they could not imagine through television. So I think all of these things can coexist. And it is the dichotomy in our heads, it is the bracketing in our heads that needs to go, which will slowly go, I think. And there are so many opportunities, not just for actors, but for writers, for directors, for producers, for art directors, for production designers, for DOPs, because of social media. I'm saying because of streaming platforms, that you're also the biggest plus you need to see is that at one go, for example, a Guinea Veg Sunny is going to cater to 190 countries in one go. Now that was something which was unimaginable, or you couldn't even think of 5 years ago.
True.
And it gives me an opportunity to showcase my skill set globally. And slowly and steadily things are only getting better. And I am hopeful that creative artists will make the most of this platform, and both the things will slowly coexist. I believe they already are, but in a much better seamless way.
एक बात बताओ, अगर गिनी वेज सनी अभी जैसे नॉर्मल सिचुएशन होती है, थिएटर में रिलीज होती है, लोग चवन्नी पहनते, जब आप नाच रहे हो, सावन में लग गई, वुड दैट कन्विंस विक्रांत मैसी टू डू मोर सच फिल्म्स?
देखो, अगर वो एक्सपीरियंस करता तो शायद, क्योंकि लेकिन वो एक्सपीरियंस मैं अभी तक नहीं कर पाया हूँ. मुझे इतना जरूर पता है, मुझे बहुत लोगों ने भी कहा कि सावन में लग गई आग के लिए तो लोग खड़े होकर बिल्कुल नाचते. तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्योंकि वो नहीं हो पाया, बट आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, बिकॉज ऑफ रिव्यूज pouring in from every corner, because of trackers, obviously, you do get a fair bit of an idea of what as to what your work is done. तो उस पे डिपेंड करता है. if people respond positively, if they they've been really kind so far, and I couldn't complain and I cannot. बट अगर फिल्म रिलीज के बाद भी अगर ये चीजें कंटिन्यू करती हैं, तो देन मे बी फॉर 2022 आई विल सिट बैक एंड मे बी कम बैक एंड डांस अगेन फॉर यू गाइस.
Sure, as from your movie Galla Gudiyam, that's what we'll do. So I mean, I've been asked to ask you, will the real Vikrant Massey please stand up? 3 things about you that nobody knows till date.
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. मतलब the first surprising bit is that I cannot sleep alone. मैं अकेले नहीं सो सकता. I cannot sleep in complete darkness, and I cannot sleep alone. And even if I'm sleeping alone, I will switch on all the lights. I will probably have my television playing, at a very faint level. I don't know why. I'm petrified of sleeping alone. I'm petrified of sleeping in the dark. That's one thing.
Okay.
The other thing that people don't know about me is that I'm from Bombay. I am not from Nagpur, contrary to popular belief through Wikipedia.
Exactly. That's what I said, relatability factor. जब मैं आपको पहले मिली थी, मैं सोचा दिल्ली का लड़का है. तेना वाज लाइक ये तो मुंबई वाला है.
मैं मुंबई का हूँ यार. और विकिपीडिया पे मुझे किसी ने ट्रोल किया. वो मुझे कह रहा था कि मैं तो आपको फॉलो करता था क्योंकि आप नागपुर के. आई सेड मत करो मुझे फॉलो, मैं बॉम्बे का हूँ, मत करो. So contrary to popular belief, I am from Mumbai, as we all know. And what else? पूछो. What do you want to know?
एक और थर्ड वाला, we've heard you're very messy Masi sa.
No, I am very prim and proper. I am
really. तो फिर किसने messy है?
नहीं, I am messy in my head. There are 20,000 things. There are 20,000 tabs that are open. That I concede. But when it comes to lifestyle, I am मतलब मेरा symmetry का बहुत issue है. I am very proper about lines and symmetry and all of that.
And top 3 blooper moments.
Top 3 blooper moments. Number 1 that comes in my mind is me. I was dancing on stage and my pant fell off. So I was holding the thing that was in my hand. मतलब वो Independence Day का function होता है ना, Republic Day का. तो आप लाल बहादुर शास्त्री की, गांधी जी की, नेहरू जी की, सबकी फोटो हाथ में लेके स्कूल के बच्चे जो डांस कर रहे होते हैं वही देशभक्ति के गानों पे. तो उस वक्त मेरी पैंट निकल गई थी. तो बट मैंने एक हाथ से मैनेज कर लिया था. दैट वाज अ ब्लूपर मोमेंट. And unfortunately ब्रेन फ्रीज मोमेंट्स हो जाते हैं जब ऐसे सवाल पूछे जाते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो आई डोंट नो, blooper moments. I've been speaking about this, for the last 4-5 days. The back-end team is also privy to this, so I'll say the same thing. कि मैंने एक बार किसी को Valentine's Day पे एक कार्ड दिया था, प्रपोज किया था, and school खत्म होने के बाद I actually saw her in a white short, dropping it in the dustbin. So that was like a very kind of moment.
दिल के अरमान आंसुओं में बह गए.
हाँ, मतलब एक दिन के लिए, अगले दिन I was focusing on someone else.
Awesome.
And I think these are the two blooper moments that really cross my mind right now.
Awesome. It's been lovely chatting to you. Time हमारे पास कम था, but hopefully और time मिलेगा. Since आपकी पिक्चरें आती जा रही हैं, and that's the way.
I will be
Looking forward to that.
I will be dropping a WhatsApp with you, and we'll definitely catch up.
Looking forward to that. Take care. I'm looking forward to checking out Vikrant Massey's moves in Ginny with Sunny. All the very best, yeah?
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Please
so
watch
much.
the movie. For a change, this is one film wherein you can actually, one Vikrant Massey film, you will not get awkward with your parents. You can actually watch it with your family. And please recommend it to your friends too.
And I'm enjoying seeing Vikrant Massey like that because last we met, he was in such an intense zone. And now this is the Vikrant Massey I know.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
Right. Thanks. Right. Take care. Bye.